If you wish to communicate with your meter via Bluetooth, it needs to be set up with the operating system first. That is to say that PowerSight Manager Advanced, PSMA, cannot talk to your meter via Bluetooth until you've set up a channel via Windows 10, the operating system. It's not that hard to do. Let's do it now. You click on Start, Settings, Devices for Bluetooth. Make sure that the Bluetooth is on in your computer. We're going to add a Bluetooth device. It's going to be under the category of mice and keyboards. Here is a bunch of meters. This is the meter we're going to connect to. We're connecting at the operating system level now. I'll explain more about it. What's happened is it's identified a pin that you don't have access to, and it's asking if it's correct. Alternatively, it may ask you for a pin. If it asks you for a pin, enter 4 zeros, 0, 0, 0, 0. At this point, either way, you're going to click Connect. Now the operating system is attempting to finish it up, and when it says paired, the connection is completed. There we go, paired, so we're done. So at this point, it has set up a permanent channel of communications via Bluetooth, and it's assigned a serial channel number that's specific to this PowerSight meter. We want to find out that number. We'll click on Devices and Printers. We'll look in the list of devices, and here is the one we just connected. I'll click. Let's click on the tab for hardware. And it says that this device is assigned COM5. That's what we want to remember, COM5. So let's get out of this. Close this. So we're back here. Click here. COM5. For ease, let's assign a label. This will be a permanent label that keeps us from having to remember what COM number we need. It will tell us what meter it is. It's PS4500, serial number 04000 in this case. Accept. So now in our list, we can identify that COM5 is for that particular meter. Let's connect to it. Success. In the future, you're not going to need to go back to the operating system to pair it again. In the future, all you need to do is connect via the labeled COM port.